If I had a BB gun, I'd kill him right now. But I'm gonna have mercy on him. He up there eating my last green mango that I was holding on to. Nasty dog. Y'all see him? And then he gonna eat the side. So I wasn't gonna go pick the mangoes thinking it was alright. He already ate the whole other side. I look at him just chewing the spit. I think I wanna throw it. I think I wanna throw a brick at him. I really do. They destroyed the mangoes this year. The only plus about it all is that so many were diseased. But look at it. I have two big mangoes, probably about the size of your cell phone. Look, I got them covered up in a bag on my tree over here. Can you see them? No. They're going to cover up in a bag. Indeed. To keep it away from this buzzard right here. Alright, y'all. I'm out. Deuces. Once again, nature, probably about 6 or 7, another 2. Peace.